We are looking at a question which says M and N are two intersecting sets. So if the number in set M is equal to 20 and the number in set N, is equal to 30, and also the number in set M union N is equal to 40, we are to find the number of the set M intersection N. Okay. So now, M union N, don't forget I told you the union consists of all the elements in either set M or set N or what, both. So what it means is that this 40 here represents the universal set. So because we have to find the number of elements in the set M intersection N, which we don't know, we can say we will let this number, which is M intersection N, be represented by the variable X. So now we can draw our two sets, which will be in the Venn diagram. So don't forget the union of the two sets becomes our universal set, which is what? 40. So the universal set is 40. The number in the set M from the question were 20. So what it means is that the whole of this circle is 20. In the same way, the number in the set N is what? 30. So what it means that the whole of this circle is what? 30. Now let's ask ourselves, where is the intersection of both sets? Don't forget the intersection of both sets is the shaded portion, right? Okay. So if the intersection of both sets is the shaded portion, then it means that we said we are representing it by what? X. So what you do is we write X in that region to represent the intersection, the number of what? Elements that can be found in the intersection. So that's X. Now, don't forget I told you the whole of this circle is what? The whole of this circle is 20. But within this 20, you can see the X also forms part of the 20. So for us to know the remaining of the circle, which is this part, the remaining of the circle, which is this part, it will be 20 minus this X will give us the remaining, because this X can be found in both set M and set what? N. So to find those in only set M is what? The number in set M minus those who can be found in both sets, so 20 minus X. In the same way, if you want to know the number of the remaining sets N, then it will be what? We know all of them are sum up to 30, so 30 minus the X, which can be found in both. Okay, so from here we can now find the intersection of the two sets. Okay. So what we have is 20 minus X plus, we are summing all of them, plus the X, which is the intersection, plus 30 minus X. When you sum all of them, it must give us the universal set, which is what? 40. Okay. So from here, we can say this X we'll cancel this s. Why? Because negative s plus s will give us 0. In the same way, we are now left with what? 20 plus 30 minus x is equal to 40. So this is algebra. 30 plus 20 will give us 15 minus x is equal to what? 40. Now, to make x the subject is what? 50. Then I'll bring this 40 to the left hand side. So it changes from positive to negative 40. Then I move this x to the right hand side, which will also change from what? Negative s to what? To positive x. So now 50 minus 40 will give you 10. So 10 is equal to what? X. Therefore, x is equal to 10. But what is x? X is the, don't forget we represented this by x. So x is what? X is the number. So therefore the number of what? The intersection of both sets is equal to 10. So that's it.